In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the value of an equation. So if we have a problem like this that says find the value of the expression, here's our expression, and they're telling you find it when y equals 35. So first we need to understand the meaning of the word variable and expression. A variable is a letter given to an unknown number. So here we have y. Y is our variable. It's the unknown number. An expression is an equation that represents another number. It is made up of numbers and variables. This is our expression. So here we have it again, and let's break it down. This is our expression. It's made up of numbers and letters, variables. And now this is our variable. So we can replace it with 35. That's what we have to do. You have to figure out what this expression equals when this variable is equal to 35. So let's do that. Let's put 35 in. So we have 3 times bracket 35 minus 25, close bracket. You perform your brackets first. So 35 minus 25 is 10. So now we do 3 times 10, which equals 30. And that's it. That's that whole problem made simple. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You've got this. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. If you take a look at the description, there's a link there to my ebook. If you download the ebook, you can follow along to similar problems like this. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.